Introduction to coding and programming. While the terms coding and programming are often used interchangeably, they refer to different aspects of software development. Understanding the distinction can help clarify the roles and processes involved in creating software applications. Definition of coding. Coding refers to the act of writing specific instructions in a programming language to perform a task. It involves translating human logic into machine-readable code. Coders typically write smaller sections of code that are part of a larger system, focusing on specific functionalities. Definition of programming. Programming is a broader term that encompasses the entire process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining software. It involves not only coding but also problem-solving, algorithm design, debugging, and optimizing the software to ensure it works effectively. Scope of work for coders. Coders often focus on writing and implementing code based on predefined specifications. They may work on small tasks within a larger project, such as writing a function or module. Coding is typically more focused on the syntax and structure of the code rather than the overall system architecture. Scope of work for programmers. Programmers, on the other hand, handle the entire development lifecycle, which includes coding, but also designing the system's architecture, debugging, and optimizing the program. They are responsible for creating a fully functional software product that meets user needs and expectations. Problem solving in programming. Programming requires significant problem-solving skills. Programmers must understand how to break down complex issues into smaller, manageable parts, design algorithms, and ensure that all components of the software interact seamlessly. Coding is one step within this broader problem-solving framework. Tools and languages. Both coders and programmers use programming languages, e.g., Python, Java, C++, to write code. However, programming often involves using additional tools and methodologies for debugging, testing, and managing project tasks, whereas coding is typically more focused on the actual writing of code. Skill set differences. While coders need to be proficient in the syntax and structure of programming languages, programmers require a deeper understanding of software design, algorithms, and the logic behind how different parts of the system work together. Programming is a more comprehensive skill set compared to coding. In many software development environments, coding and programming are collaborative efforts. Coders might work under the guidance of a programmer or as part of a team, contributing their expertise in specific areas of the software. Programmers oversee the broader vision of the project, integrating different code components into a functioning whole. Conclusion. Key differences between coding and programming. The key difference between coding and programming lies in their scope and complexity. Coding is a subset of programming that focuses on writing specific lines of code, whereas programming involves a more comprehensive process of designing, implementing, and managing a software project.